Hello, 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 everyone, and welcome to Traveling Souls. So I said it, I meant it, and I'm on here. So I just want to thank everyone for just really rocking with Traveling Souls. As you know me, I'm Jen, aka Candy Gems, for some of you that do know me and some of you that don't. I welcome you here. So I decided to really get a little deep when it comes to these chakras, when it comes to the energy that's been happening now. I'm just going to get right to the point of it. And this little topic is going to be about siphoning energies from someone that you may like, someone that you may be dating, someone that you just started talking to, but it's energies from that person's significant other, whether it be male or female. So we're going to really get into the nitty gritty because we are in this new energy, because we are in this new shedding of skin from the past 7 years, from 2015 to 2023, 2024, whatever you did, however you did it, whoever you did it with, it doesn't exist. But there are the vampires, gremlins, and leprechauns and their little broomsticks coming around to try to shed that dust and keep you backwards for the next 7 years to repeat. So I just want you guys to be very, very gentle with the energies right now. Be very, very gentle with whom you're letting in your life right now, because the energies is not pretty. People are in wolves and sheep's clothing right now. So I just want you to be careful with that. And this is also me explaining what chakras are. This is also me getting you guys familiar with chakras and how it's in our everyday life. So sit back, relax, enjoy this little combo with me, as I almost call it therapy for the soul. As you know, my podcast, as you know, this meditation YouTube channel, as some of you have been with me on a journey of taking your personal private readings with me to open up your chakras more, wherever you come from and however you got here to meet me, to be connected to Traveling Souls Meditation. Thank you. Sit back, relax. Let's get ready for this ride. Namaste. Did you know other women and men can siphon your energy through a man or a woman? Yes. So if you're dealing with a man right now or a woman, let's just say, for example, you guys separated and you consider yourself to be an empress, upright, or a high priestess, upright, upwards, you know, you have different types of energy signatures. And when you're dealing with a man or a woman, meaning you're sharing your energy with him or her. So you can utilize the energy and make him know you very well. Make him become very abundant and make his looks different and handsome as much as the women. So I'm going to talk about the man, but I'm also talking about the woman because tarot has no gender when it comes to astrology. So he'll be walking in his purpose. He'll be flowing towards everything that he's been doing because of you, because of your energy. And things are going good for him financially, let's say, in work, in happiness, in family, just everything. You pour that energy into him. But when you guys separate, he keeps that. And you're probably the closest thing to him when it comes to the energy. So there is this dark witch or high priestess in reverse. So what that means is with the dark high priestess, what they would do is get in a relationship with someone else. Let's say a man is drawn to someone that's toxic. He is no good. But that particular man is drawn to that person and she's drawn to him because of not his energy, but because of you. So you have to be careful who you're dating. You have to be careful who you're letting in your energy, because it's not just that person that's first place. It's the second person that's connected to that person as well. So anything when it comes to materials that's not even yours, things in the bedroom, things that you hold on to through your significant other will connect through that other woman that will take that energy. And she's almost like a dark witch in a way, but I would also say a toxic eon, I mostly like to say. So this woman that's connected to your person, that's connected to you, is now siphoning the energy off you. She starts messing with that person. She starts taking all that energy, and when he messes with you, he siphons. It's almost like energy transfer. So I want you guys to just be careful right now for these next 4 months as we're shedding this skin, to be careful of people you're meeting, be careful of energies you're connecting with, because they have other energies that are basically draining them. So be careful when it comes to the energy, because you are queens and kings and you have this energy and you have been cleansing your chakras. Other people can feel this. So I just want you to be careful when it comes to just that energy. And you may feel tired. You may feel like something's off. You may want to stay away. You may want to stay far away from him because you know there's something wrong. And it's because he's siphoning your energy to give to the other person, man or woman. Remember, tarot has no gender. So they're using it together at the end of the day. And a lot of the times, a lot of people we meet think it's cool to go back to an ex or a person and be like, I just got this good energy from this person that has money, that person that's living, thriving, and now we're going to take it and we're going to do our thing. But guess what? Once you back off, they have no more energy left. They have none of that. They can't take it, but you must close the door because that relationship will not last very long. And that person will come running back to you once they've done hurt you, deaded you, played you, all that, men or women. Remember, Chariot has no gender. So remember that their relationship will become toxic, and you will be cleansing yourself and knowing that you're protecting yourself. They will be going back and forth in the energy. They'll be fighting. They'll be wondering why nothing's working for them once you back away from them. So just remember this, my friends. Don't go back to that energy. No matter how much they say they've changed, no matter how much they took your energy to give it to someone else, to make someone else an empress, because they didn't see you an empress or an emperor. They didn't see you as that worth. They didn't see you as that value. So I just want you guys to be careful right now during this 4 months left of shedding of skin. Remember, we have those vampires, leprechauns, and vampires, gremlins around on their broomsticks trying to keep you backward. So as much as you may care, love this person, just know that that woman, that man is feeling that energy from you. So try not to mix in the party. Try not to mix with the energies, because you will see and you will awaken and realize that another person has trying to take the same energy as you. But you guys aren't on the same frequency. Your frequencies are so much higher. So while they're playing themselves thinking they're taking so much from you, they're not taking ish. It's just a time and a realm of it. It's just a portal time. So remember how I told you about those portals, the 8/8 portal that we're in August right now? We were going through the Lion's Gate. Then we have the 9/9 portal coming up, 10/10, 11/11, and then 12/12. And then we start the new year again. So you guys have to be careful how you're spreading your energy. If you feel off, it's a reason why. If you feel like your person, the closest person that you love and everything is just making you tired, is making you not giving you that natural energy that helps you generate abundance energy, basically, he just took your energy or she just took your energy. So when you're feeling as low as why is nothing working, it's because the energy is wasted on a reversed high priestess. And a high priestess on a card is secrets, mysteries. So that is a person that's very secretive and taking and siphoning the energies without even telling you. So what you will do with the Empress energy is understand that the relationship is going to become extremely toxic no matter what, because they thought they can take your good, clean cup of wine, as I say, the cups, or water, and take it and mix it with their toxic energy. It won't work. They'll become depressed. Their money will stress. They'll have a hole in their pocket. Doors will be closing left and right. Because in the beginning, they thought, oh, we're on cloud 9. We're doing it. We're on top of the world. Bump that chick. Bump that dude. They're never going to get to our level. But they can't take what's for you. And that's what people don't understand about the energies. What the universe, God, spiritual guides, ancestors that is in your realm gave to you, it's for you. No one can never take anything for you. Okay? So when it comes to this energies and people trying to think they're winning and you're over there in the corner crying or you're hurt, get up, king or queen. Get up, because just know they cannot own you. They can't take that power for you unless you give them that power. Okay? So just remember, if you take back this person, they may trick you. They may tell you a lot of things that sound good, like when Mercury retrograde comes. It's a time where it's circus time, I call it. It's a time where you don't know what's right or wrong. But when that X comes back, past people, past energies, past situations comes back and it sounds good, it's a bubble. It's circus time. The balloon will pop in a month once Mercury retrograde leaves. But also Mercury retrograde is a time of resetting, relooking, re-understanding what's going on around us. So be careful. Just be careful, because energy right now in this time and realm, in this generation, is valuable. Okay? People will take your energy and have you going psycho because you don't know what just happened to you and why everything is falling apart in your life. So please be careful when you're letting new energies come into your life, whether woman, whether man, whether friends, whether family, whether relationship, whoever this person is, just think twice. And I want you to ask yourself, do you feel good about it? Do you feel funny about it? Do you feel happy about it? What do you feel when these certain people come around you? Because you're going to know if this person is for you or not. And remember, you can see it a mile away. You can see it a mile away, so you know not to mess with them. You can feel it a mile away. You're going to be 10 steps. And the more we have these conversations on here, the more you listen to the videos and the meditations with the chakras, the more your chakras are going to be cleansed from these toxic energies. Okay? Remember, you're going to cut off the energies with your finger. So if you feel like cutting any energies off, here's our solar plex, our stomach, our gut, our intuition. Cut it off. And if you would like to do a private reading or like to know more than welcome to message me, and I will get back to you as soon as possible with that, due to just having an overwhelming of questions, wanting to know more about the chakras, wanting to know how to keep away these certain energies, how to know when they're coming. You guys know what it is. And the whole time that person, man or woman, went to that man or woman they connected with, they didn't want them. They wanted you.